nalito. So, tap the card first before clicking the floor. Yun nga kasi nakalagay. For the panic, sorry. Hey!
So exciting.
It's a long walk from the elevator kasi nga yung room type namin is located at the old building. Frenny is looking for an ironing station. So ano nga ulit yung room natin? Okay, so yung room 2, yun na yun. Pagpasok mo kasi maliit lang siya. So first is ano ba ito? Closet with a vault. Tapos may ilang hanger. And then there's your TV with, ayun nga, may ref. Nice, guys. May ref. Wala.
Ayun,
Pero baka pwedeng humingi. Pwede ba yun? Tapos, you have your 2 beds. Isang single bed and isang double. Oo, double ata yun. Tapos ayun, bathroom. So, ayun. Bidet check, meron. Kailangan yan. And then, your shower. So, they have their toiletries naman there. So, may window yung room namin. Wanna see the view? Tchaaan! Ano meron? Kita yung kapitbahay.
So ano, like, susunduin mo lang si Jill?
Okay, so, hey guys! It's us. We're complete. Hey!
Your lights stay? Yes.
May ilaw. So, anong theme for tonight?
Hindi ko rin alam. Parehas kayo naka-ano.
Actually, tapos yung crop, tapos yung pants. Girl, ikaw yung lost.
May pants ako kanina.
Okay.
Pants ako kanina eh.
Oo nga naman.
Pero black. She's black.
Pero ayun, so, yun lang. So, this is the aftermath of the photo shoot. And we're not yet done. Ayun nga. Ay, okay. Nagpipicture siya. Ayun, salba.
Kaso TV yung background talaga natin.
So, caught on cam yung pagpipicture namin.
Ay, ang dilim.
Ano ba?
Maliwanag. Wait lang ha.
Ano nangyayari?
Teka,
Bakit di tayo makita?
ilaw. Ayan. Parang mahuhubalan ako. Okay.
Ayun, so kita-kita nyo, di ba?
Ano ba yan? Wait, teka yung aking...
So, yun po talaga yung activity namin for today. That's why we got this booking in a hotel. So, lagay ko na lang yung details down below. I mean, yung location, yung price, yung type of room, ganun.
Many minutes later.
Okay, so... Ay, teka, yung ano... So, here's our dinner for tonight. Yung kaninang, choking, ano lang yun. Merienda lang yun. Pero yung dinner talaga is from Sarang, Korean restaurant. So, yeah, we ordered this in... Salamat guys sa background. Itong mga to, napaka-ano eh. Sonya. Hey, yun yung mga background noises.
Wow! Oh my God!
Pero yun, so, this is my soy chicken. And then, for Sonya,
The cake of broccoli meal set.
with kimchi. Additional. Ay. Tteokbokki, okay. And then, for Jill,
gochujang samgyup.
okay, di ba? Heavy. So, yun. Okay, so, for our next activity, we're gonna do a individual and a group bingo card. So, ayun, mag-fill up kami ng ganun. Di ba ready din?
Kung wala kang maisip, lagay mo lang sa isa, ganyan.
Hindi basta yung gitna, ano siya, yung parang
free.
Hindi ko lang matinan.
Parang kayo yung postmates. Sa vlog?
Oo. So anyways, good morning. So, pakain pa lang kami and it's 8:30. Siyempre, late nakatulog. Anyways, yan. Jill, gusto mo? Ito siya. Ayan, sa. Okay, so here's our breakfast. So I got the chicken longganisa. And Sonia got the pork longganisa. Tapos nakaka-choco kami. Pero, ayan. May coffee doon. Tapos may juice. And all. Pero nasa ano kami? First floor kami. Kasi may event daw doon sa second floor. Which is yung place talaga. Yung Salo. Salo ba? Salo Resto. Kasi doon talaga dapat nag-breakfast. Pero may event daw. So, ito kami. Yan, labas. You see that? Wala nang kita. Ang liwanag kasi.
A few moments later.
Okay, so we are about to wrap up. Wrap up! Ay, magsasign pa siya. So, we're wrapping up our staycation in MA for the month of January. So, ayun. Medyo nakapack naman na yung stuff. Hey! Tapos si Jill nag-nail polish. So, ayun. Medyo na-dinas na din yung room. Ayun. I mean, na room tour naman kayo. Alam nyo na yun. Galingan nyo na mag-imagine. Paano nyo bubuuin yung room dun sa mga sa clips. Kaya nyo na yan. Okay, so, yan. We're leaving na. Kita nyo naman to, di ba? Hindi ko ba ito na kagabi? Parang hindi, no? Ay! Ewan ko. Hindi ko alam. Kaya nyo na yan. Sabi ko sa inyo, buuin nyo na. Galingan nyo na lang mag-imagine. So, yan yung view. As in, like, literally tapat ng MRT Taft Station. So, if you're going home, you may use the MRT or LRT dun sa other side. Kasi, connected naman sila. So, very accessible. Wow! For the promote. So, we're on our way to Kanto Freestyle. Hi ulit. Hi guys. So, nag-MRT kami from Kabayan Hotel kasi nga accessible naman yung area. Wow, for the promote. I mean, yung yung Kabayan Hotel. So, ayan. Sa Kamuning Station kami bumaba. And mag-explore kami kung paano kami makakarating doon sa Tomas Morato area. Oh, okay. So, we managed to get down from the MRT. Nasa GMA kami. Kita ba? Hindi ata kita, pero yeah, we're at GMA. So, dito. Okay. So, we are looking for our ride. Okay, so we're here. Price reveal kahit wala pa yung food. Ay, ano in-order mo? Magkano yun? Okay. Tapos kami, isa kami ni Jill ng longganisa and then nag-waffle para matry lang. Okay, so this is the choco chip pancake. Ayan, nalaglag yung topping. Ano ba siya? Whipped cream? Yan siya. So, that's the vegan longganisa. So, I got the scrambled egg. Tapos, the other one naman is sunny side up option. Kasi you can choose. Bus na. So, ayun. Vegan longganisa. Kahit nag-longganisa na ako kanina sa... So, magbe-breakfast ulit. Pero lunch na namin. Ito pala dapat. Okay, so that's the peanut butter and banana waffle. Nalaglag yung isa, so... Pero yan siya. Okay, so... Guys, Uy. So, ayun. Hatid na namin sila sa MRT station because we're about to go. So, ayun. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit that bell button right there. See you guys again next time. Ciao!